All right, we're out here at 428 Myrtlewood. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look inside, see what you guys think. Nice little entryway here. We do have the hardwood floors that go throughout the home. Unfortunately, it looks like they've all gotten wet. You might be able to see the waving in the video here. So they'll probably have to come up and be replaced. Nice size living room right off the front door. Lots of natural light. Coming in this way, we kind of get into the little dining room area. Kitchen. And then just on the back side of the kitchen, it's the laundry room. There's a little breezeway that goes out the kitchen door out into the 2-car garage area. We'll go through that in just a minute and take a look. Come over and take a look at the bedrooms first. Really like the designs on this front door, kind of unique, gives it some character. A nice big bedroom here. Again, same thing with the wood in here. It'd be really nice if it could be saved, but I think with some of the buckling from the water, it looks like water issues have to be replaced. Really nice, large, built-in for a closet with some barnyard doors or barn doors that slide. Decent sized soaker tub. And we'll head into the primary now. It's a walk-in shower. A little bit smaller of a bathroom, but it does give you a bathroom on the primary bedroom. Let's go back across the house. Say hi to Stephanie. Back across the house. We'll go out that breezeway, take a look in the 2-car garage real quick. So this is a little breezeway they have built. Kind of closes in the walkway between the house and the garage. Nice little feature for those rainy days. Now the garage, the back side of the garage right here was kind of converted into a little bit of a room. And then it turned the 2-car garage into a 1-car garage. That room, and maybe enough room to bring a motorcycle in. Well, thank you for sitting through the tour with us. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like your own private tour, let us know. We're always happy to set those up for you. Or if you have questions about real estate in general, real estate investing, or anything we can assist you with, reach out, let us know. happy to help. Look forward to talking to you, and have a great day.